Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes C-Class estate. Absolutely wonderful condition. Fantastic colour. It's not a silver, it's more of a blue. Nice blue metallic. Don't know the exact colour for this one. Front park distance control. Absolutely immaculate diamond cut black alloy wheels. So that's got Bridgestone tyre. Paintwork is absolutely stunning. Full AMG body styling, including the AMG lower diffuser with a twin exhaust and the colour coded valance at the bottom. Slight privacy glass to the rear, I would say there. Absolutely stunning. Electric tailgate. You can see the boot area has not been used and abused and is in lovely condition. Got the rear parcel shelf. Full leather seats with the white stitch piping. It's got the AMG mats in it as well. Got the lovely piano wood veneer finish. Heated seats, electric windows, electric mirrors, partial electric seats there. Inside it's lovely spacious, nice place to be. Just started up, some 97,825 miles. miles. Reverse camera with park distance control. Got the iDrive down here with everything on it. Vehicle settings, communication, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity. Yeah, 3-stage heated seats, paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. Oh, this works lovely. Yeah, we've got USB ports down there. Absolutely stunning looking car. Priced very low. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.